Claude Code is powerful out of the box, but without skills, it is guessing what you need instead of knowing. These 6 open source repos change that. Planning, research, code quality. Each one makes a different part of your workflow smarter. Let me show you. Quick context. AI skills are small rule files you install into Claude Code. They do not change the model. They change how the model approaches your work. Think of them as workflows the agent follows automatically. Number 1. Grill Me. This skill comes from Matt Pocock's skills repo. Before I explain what Grill Me does, let me first show what happens without this skill. As you can see on the screen, I asked Claude Code, I want to add dark mode to my app, and it quickly checked the code and edited one file. No questions, no clarification, no discussion about the plan. Sometimes this is dangerous. Now let's see what happens with Grill Me. Before you write any code, you run this command and it interviews you about your plan. One question at a time. Each question comes with a recommended answer. Watch what happens when I tell it, I want to add dark mode to my app. It does not just say, sure, here's a dark mode. It asks, what should drive the theme? How is the override exposed in UI? Where does theme mode get persisted? Every question is a decision I had not made yet. By question 8, my plan is completely different from what I walked in with, because it requires completely redesign of app. That is the point. You are not paying for this with code rework later. You are paying for it with 10 minutes of thinking now. Number 2, last 30 days. You are about to make a decision. Before you do, you want to know what people are actually saying right now. Not a blog post from last year, but what developers said this week. Last 30 days pulls from Reddit, X, Hacker News, GitHub, YouTube, multiple platforms in one scan. This is not a web search. This is community intelligence. I run it with Claude Code versus Cursor versus Codex. And instead of one search result, I get a cross-platform summary. What everyone are praising, what they are complaining about, what is trending up, what is losing momentum. Use it before you choose a tool. Use it before you plan content. Use it before you commit to a stack. Number 3, Ponytail. This one solves the biggest problem with AI-generated code. It writes too much. With Ponytail on, it follows a decision ladder. Does this need to exist? Is it already in the code base? Does the standard library handle it? Can it be one line? Only if the answer is no to all of those, then it write new code. Watch the difference. Same task, same AI, a quarter of the code, and before you say it, no, Ponytail does not cut safety. It only removes what was never needed. 3 more, quick, superpowers, a complete development methodology, brainstorming, test-driven development, sub-agent coordination, all in one repo. Graphify, turn any code base, code, docs, infrastructure into a knowledge graph you can query. And Caveman. This one cuts 65% of Claude Code's output tokens. Same accuracy, fraction of the cost. If you are burning through tokens, this pays for itself immediately. We have covered all 3 skills in detail in previous videos, so if you want to understand how they work, when to use them, and why they are useful, watch the full video. All 6 repos are linked in the description with install instructions. If you are only going to install one today, start with Grill Me. Run it on your next feature before you write any code. It may take 10 minutes, but those 10 minutes can save you hours of rework. Subscribe if you want more details like this, and drop a comment. Which repo are you installing first?